This video regards example on the diameter of rising main. The statement of problem is like this. Water has to be supplied to a town with 1 lakh population at the rate of 150 liters per capita per day from a river 2000 meter away. The difference in elevation between the lowest water level in the sump and the reservoir is 36 meter. If the demand has to be supplied in 8 hours, determine the size of the main and the brake horsepower of the pumps required. Assume maximum demand as 1.5 times the average daily demand. Assume F is equal to 0.0075. Velocity in the pipe 2.4 meter per second and efficiency of pump 80%. So before going to the solution, so you should know the data carefully. The population is given, that is 1 lakh, and per capita demand is also given, that is 150 liters per day per person. So with the help of per capita demand, you can easily find out average daily demand is equal to population into per capita demand. So here population is 1000 and per capita demand is 150 liters per day. Average daily demand is equal to 15 million liters per day, 50 mld. So here mld represents million liter per day. So here one factor is given, that is 1.5. So 1.5 is used to calculate the maximum daily demand. To calculate the maximum daily demand. Maximum daily demand is equal to 1.5 times the average daily demand. So already we have calculated the average daily demand in the previous step, that is 15 mld, just multiplied by 1.5, that is equal to 22.5 mld. Since the pumps have to work for 8 hours a day, the capacity of the pumps should be designed for a daily demand. So maximum daily demand is 22.5 into 24 divided by 8. 24 is a per day. In per day, so the pumps have to work for 8 hours only. Therefore 24 divided by 8. The finally designed for daily demand is equal to 67.5 mld. Discharge required per second. So already we know the continuity equation. Q is equal to A into V. Q is equal to A into V. That is the discharge. Discharge required per second is equal to demand designed for a daily demand divided by 10 to the power of 3 into 24 into 60 into 60 is equal to 0.781 cubic. Now the velocity through the pipe is equal to 2.4 meter per second. It is already given in the question. We know the value of Q and V already. So with the help of Q and V, can easily find out the area required. Therefore the area required is equal to Q by V is equal to the value of Q is 0.781 and value of V is 2.4. Substituting the value of Q and V in Q by V equation, that the area is 0.325 meter square. The pipe is a circular cross section. Therefore area is equal to pi d square by 4. By alternating the equation, can easily find out the diameter of the main required is equal to area into 4 divided by 5. The diameter of the main required 0.643 meter. So it's say in terms of meter 0.65 meter. Total lift including suction and delivery is equal to 36 meter. It is already given in the question. So here we can find out head loss due to friction in pipe, HL or HF. The friction is represented by HF. The formula is F dash LV square divided by 2ZD, where F dash is the friction, L is the length. and V is the velocity, G is the acceleration due to gravity, and D is the diameter of main, rising main. So where F is equal to 0.0075, so F dash is equal to 4F. Substitute the value of F in F dash. The value of F dash is 0.03, and L is 2000 meter. It is a river from town. River from town is 2000 meter, that is L, and V is 2.4 meter per second, and diameter of the rising main is 0.65 meter. Substitute the value of F dash, L, V and G, D in head loss due to friction equation. Therefore HL is equal to 27.1 meter. Total lift against which pump has to work? 36 meter plus 27.1 is equal to 63.1 meter. So after getting the friction, we go for brake horsepower pump. So equation is like this: gamma W Q into H divided by neta into 0.735 is the numerical. Gamma W is the weight of water, into Q is the discharge, and H is the head loss due to friction, divided by neta is the efficiency. It is in terms of percentage given. It is 0.8 into 0.735. The brake horsepower of pump is 822 HP. This is the answer. Thank you.